Hello everyone. In this tutorial video we will show how a student of Class 10 and 12 can apply for a migration certificate in NBSE portal. Please make sure to have all the necessary details before applying for the online migration certificate. Refer the checklist in your screen. Let's begin. Go to NBSE official website and navigate to Services. And click on Apply Migration Certificate. Select the class from the drop-down list. Enter your roll number and date of birth as per NBSE record. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Next. The system will validate, and if the details are found to be valid, it will redirect to the next page. Enter your mobile number and click on Send OTP. Enter the 6-digit OTP received in your phone number. Enter your email ID. Re-enter your email ID. Please make sure to give a valid email ID to receive the certificate in your email. Click on Next to validate the OTP. Click on Continue to Payment to proceed with the migration fee payment. For this tutorial purpose, we will use Test Credit Card as the mode of payment. Please note that the payment process may differ, depending on the mode of payment you use. Once the payment is successful, it will redirect back to NBSE portal with a confirmation message. The same certificate is also sent to the email ID which you have entered. You can also download the certificate using the link in the confirmation message or from the service menu in the website. That is it. This is the process of applying a migration certificate from NBSE portal. Thank you for watching the video.